My name is Alexei Nosovsky and I am the head of the legal department at the international company iWorld. Friends, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Spain? The beaches of Barcelona, the gastronomic delight of paella or gazpacho? Or maybe the famous midday siesta comes to mind? By the way, in summer, it's during this time that the south of the country practically comes to a standstill. But Spain is also a great place for investment and developing your own business. In this video, I will explain how to legalize your stay in Spain by launching a startup, what the requirements of this program are, and why it's better to go through this process with iWorld. What are the advantages of this program? First, the entire process is quite fast, approximately 3 months in total. Second, the required paperwork is minimal. Third, the program has only 2 main requirements. You must submit a comprehensive business plan, which iWorld's experienced specialists can certainly help you prepare correctly and thoroughly, and show that you have at least 35,000 euros readily available in your account. Fourth, you are granted a residence permit for 3 years, with the possibility of extension. Fifth, Spain is a party to an international agreement that effectively eliminates double taxation. And finally, adult family members of the applicant will receive permission to legally work in Spain. Dear viewers, I'd like to point out that with iWorld, obtaining a Spanish residence permit is possible in just 5 steps. The first step is signing a contract with the company. Second, our specialists assist with gathering documents and preparing the business plan. Third, after that comes the trip to Spain to submit your application. Fourth, you will also need to provide your biometrics at the police station. And fifth, you receive your resident card. At iWorld, we take an individual approach with each client and adhere to strict confidentiality, which means that working with us is not only partnering with an experienced player in the migration field, but also a guarantee of security. Friends, if you have any questions about this program or are interested in other migration options, please leave a request on our website for a consultation.